Ready for insulation, and then I'm going to do something fancy here in the next couple days. One more piece of inside corner framing to put in down there. Floor's done. Back together. Time to play around with some of my favorite reclaimed boards. I've cleaned them and prepped them all. Now it's time to start laying them out. Figure out what I'm going to do with them in this space here on this wall. And the ceiling and most of the painting on this side of the room is done.
Welcome to First Person Origins, the podcast about digging into the origins of people, games, and other things with a guest who brings a first-person perspective to the story. I'm DJ Wheat, joined by Thresh, and we're excited to bring our follow-up to episode 1 by flipping roles and talking about some of my origins. This is where I hand it over to Dennis.
We have some amazing guests lined up, but we thought the best way to kick off the show would be to put ourselves in the hot seat. Give you guys a chance to learn a bit about our origins. So we're going to kick off episode 2 with my guest.
So I just got done spending a couple hours going to 3 different mechanic shops trying to get a rusted nut loose off the old table saw, trying to put a new sharp blade on it. And we lubed it, put a torch on it, torque wrenches, and drilled a hole through the side of the casing. Try to get an impact vibrating on it, bust it loose. Nothing worked. So we are now here with a new Craftsman table saw. So we're gonna unbox that, get it set up, and get busy here. All set up and running. Has a nice brake feature on it too, slows that blade down as soon as you hit the off button. That's real helpful. Older models would sit there and spin down for like a minute. The extra noise would just drive you crazy. I'm pretty happy with it. I think we're going to be a lot more productive now. Here's a little sneak peek of what I have so far.
And it really hit a lot of people who were marginalized, people who couldn't afford to or were shunned from going into these big department stores with wealthy. They say you're not allowed to. You get a catalog.
This is the second application of the GoV Light products. I'm really pleased with their options as far as an inline controller, a infrared remote controller, and the Bluetooth app. They all work really nice and seamlessly together, and the installation and the quality of the products is really good. So I hope you've enjoyed this installation video, and will join us on the next one as we're getting ready to remodel the third and final section of this camper, the bunk room. Again, thank you for following our videos and supporting our Helping Hands network. All your likes and shares and subscriptions on our videos help us raise enough funding to do additional causes to help our community. We'll see you on the next one.